How do chiropractic adjustments help a range of motion? Imagine being able to move more freely without pain holding you back. That's what many people hope for when dealing with osteoarthritis. Let's explore how chiropractic adjustments can make a difference. Chiropractic adjustments involve carefully applying manual pressure to joints and the spine to correct misalignments. When joints are out of place, they can cause stiffness and limit movement. Realigning these joints helps restore their proper function. This means less mechanical restriction and more flexibility in your joints. Osteoarthritis often causes joints to become stiff because of cartilage wear and changes in the bones. These changes can make moving painful and difficult. Chiropractic adjustments aim to improve how the joint moves by fixing the alignment. When joints are properly aligned, they can move more smoothly, which helps increase your range of motion. Muscle tension around the affected joints also plays a role. When joints hurt, muscles tighten up as a protective response. This muscle tightness can make movement even harder. Chiropractic care uses techniques like soft tissue manipulation and gentle stretching to relax these muscles. When muscles are less tight, joints can move more freely and stiffness decreases. Another benefit of chiropractic adjustments is improved blood flow around the joint. Better circulation delivers oxygen and nutrients to tissues, which supports healing and reduces inflammation. Less inflammation can mean less pain and better joint function. In practice, chiropractors often combine joint manipulations with gentle mobilization and stretching exercises. These methods help increase both active and passive joint movement. For example, someone with knee osteoarthritis might see improvements in knee bending and straightening after several weeks of treatment. Chiropractors also create personalized plans based on each person's specific joint limitations. They may suggest exercises to do at home, helping maintain and improve mobility over time. This approach helps people manage symptoms better and keep their joints moving more naturally. It's important to remember that chiropractic care doesn't reverse cartilage damage. Instead, it focuses on making the joint work better within its current structure. The goal is to reduce pain and stiffness, making daily activities easier and more comfortable. So, chiropractic adjustments help osteoarthritis by fixing joint alignment, relaxing muscles, boosting circulation, and supporting movement. These targeted therapies can make a real difference in how well your joints move and how much pain you feel.